Ready to turn your math struggles into strengths? Let's embark on a math adventure together. In today's world, strong math skills are essential for success in so many fields. Our comprehensive math course is designed to help you master fundamental concepts and build your confidence. We start with the basics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we delve into fractions, decimals, and algebraic expressions. You'll learn to solve linear equations and inequalities, explore geometry, and calculate perimeter, area, and volume. From probability and statistics to advanced algebra and trigonometry, our course covers it all. You'll even get an introduction to calculus, including derivatives and integrals. But it's not just about solving equations. You'll develop critical thinking, analytical reasoning, and numerical proficiency. With each module, you'll gain the skills and confidence to tackle real-life math problems. So why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. Join us and turn those problems into solutions. Let's unlock your math potential together.